this video are from the last days of my trip to the Philippines. But first, a spontaneous hair treatment for my mom and I. Then off to pick up my aunt at Quezon City on our way to dinner.
I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world of men, we're on an all-time high. Oh, 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 oh. You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together. And it wouldn't be the same without you. We did so many stupid things together. You're the only thing I'm holding on to.
Anong buri mo? Takangin ko mo rin. Sabi ka rin buri na.
Brian, anong inumin mo?
Rose!
Brian and horse?
Sabi pa naman yun.
Nasa inattenda ng lunch sa Tagaytay. Pag-uwi, dyan sa San Jupsen.
Starting out the day, visiting loved ones we've lost. And now we're on our way to Tagaytay for lunch. And this is piaya. I don't think I've ever tried it before, but I recommend it if you're around here to try these. They are delicious. and then pasalubong or souvenir shopping for friends and family. A quick dinner before going home. Starting out the last day with a quick hearty breakfast. We stopped by MEGAMALL for a quick window shopping. This is our mini Bon Voyage pizza party. And I'd like to take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone that spent time with us. Until next time. On our way to the airport, taking Korean Air back home with a 2.5-hour layover in Seoul, South Korea. We arrived at 6:00 a.m. at the airport, checked in at 9:30 a.m., and had a flight delay of 30 minutes from our original departure of 12:30 p.m. All the airport staff were helpful without being pushy. The check-in process was pretty organized, and the public Wi-Fi was pretty strong. Although improvements are needed in the addition of more chairs at the check-in area and more charging hubs. Korean Airlines really have a great program for seniors who require wheelchairs. They know how to take care of elderly customers. Although improvements are needed in their airport, like the addition of more food vendors around their departure gates. And this takes us to the end of the Philippines series. I hope to share more travels with you in the future, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So from my mind's eye to yours, thanks for watching!